Welcome to N Blanks Pvt Limited, offers CNC cutting components and services. The company was established in 2002 at Chennai. Meticulous quality checking and futuristic business strategies help us to achieve a present repute in the market. Assured quality products, expedite delivery schedules, and unblemished client satisfaction are the plus points of our organization. We offer a diverse range of CNC, mechanical metal and steel cutting services. Our laser cutting and CNC turret punching services are acknowledged for their functionality. CNC machined and plasma cutting machine components are well known for their durability. We also provide precision sheet metal and wooden cutting services that are a class apart. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of laser cutting job services and wood jolly work. Plasma cutting machine services for steel and precision sheet metal services for electrical industry are extremely reliable. For more information, log on at www.sheetnblanks.com.